What's up? What's the problem? Why do you look so sad? Dude, you are a boxer. What do you mean you want to be a mixed martial arts fighter instead? You're a boxer. Look, you're a boxer. I don't know who the heavyweight champion of the world is. It's a good point. You want to be a UFC fighter? Who cares? Why don't you just come and check out this boxer? You want a nice boxer? Look at this guy. He's amazing. Nice boxer. Cool brindle. Cheer up. I said you could go in the cage. Must be a cage fighter. Boxer. Fine, UFC, dog. Alright, the ones we had last week, they left already. I got some new ones. Look at these two. Police dogs, boy and a girl. Gorgeous German Shepherds. You should really come and check them out. Want a German Shepherd? Look at you. Dude. German Shepherds. They're phenomenal. Yeah. More nice ones. Good boy. Good boy. German Shepherds, they don't last. Alright. It's time for some standards. We got jazz standards. We got standard poodles. Check him out. He's sweet. He's smart. Very cool poodle. You want a standard poodle? Not going to be a huge one, but he's going to be nice. He's not going to misbehave because he's a poodle. He'll tell you how to behave. He'll tell you the right things to do because he's smarter than you. Smarter than me? Huh? Very cute.
You alright?
Oh man, I don't feel that good. It's freezing in here. Oh. Oh man. I've been here too long. Even my hairballs are starting to look like puppies. Wow. Oh, that looks like a Pomeranian. You guys are interested in one of my hairballs, you should come on down. It looks like a girl hairball. Oh boy. No, I don't feel good. I'm glad you're here though. You want to go back in? No. No. We're going to sell you to someone. You want a tiny Pomeranian hairball? Come down and check it out. Bring me some soup, please. I'd like some soup. Yeah. Can I get some soup? You get soup. I keep calling out my breeders, but nobody's answering my call. I don't know what's going on, so once again, I'm going to have to make my own dogs. I'm going to make my own little mixes here. We're going to do it kind of interesting. We're going to take like a North Fork flavor. You know, Starbucks is doing it. Check it out. I have a Shih Tzu here, really cute. I have a poodle here. So we're going to put them in. We're going to make pumpkin spice Shih Tzus. Or pumpkin spice Shih Tzus. Some pumpkins in there. Let's see. Alright, get in there. Hold on a second. Alright. I guess we'll see if this works. Something happened. Uh-oh, wait a second. Oh wow. I got pumpkin spice sheepoos. Ooh, they smell like pumpkins. Very cool. Pumpkin spice sheepoos. 2 girls, it worked. We got sheepoos. Shih Tzu poos. Very cool. You want one? You want one?
Oh yeah, I want whipped cream on mine.
Oh, there you go. Pumpkin spice sheepoo. Come and check them out. They're sweet. Alright. Alright, here we go again. Check out this Maltese. She's beautiful. But I'm going to bring the poodle back into the picture because people are calling about multi-poos. So, we're going to try. We're going to try and mix up a multi-poo. You want to make a multi-poo? How about you? Alright, let's see what we got. let's try it again. It worked before. Alright, let's see. You're a good poodle, you're very productive. Or reproductive. Alright, we'll go with another pumpkin. Diet Coke, I like Diet Coke. Maybe make her a good dog. Alright, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you gotta go in there. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Wait a second. I got a multi-poo. Check him out. Multi-poo. That's pretty cool. It's a boy. Want a multi-poo? We made you a nice multi-poo. Success. What's up, dude? You got an Cavalier King Charles. She's very cute. And then this poodle just happens to be a champion. He's making all these cool mixes, so we're gonna try something new. He's like a barista at Starbucks, you know? He's like, knows what he's doing. So we're gonna try something new. We're gonna try and make a pumpkin spice Cavapoo latte. Let's see if it works. All right, let's probably go with the pumpkin first. Probably put a bat in there because it's fall. A little creepy. I don't know what this thing is, but I'm a little scared of it, but let's try it anyway. Let's see what happens. All right, Poodle, Cavalier King Charles. Let's see. All right, let's try this. Mix this one up quick. I think he's getting impatient. All right, I got a feeling this is going to be good. We're shooting for a Cavapoo, right? Ooh. Pumpkin spice Cavapoo. We're supposed to be iced. I don't know what. It's supposed to be. All right, you know what? This is just enough. Look at this Cavapoo. Dog is awesome. Check him out. Cavapoo. Cavapoo. Want a Cavapoo? Hurry up. Oh, that poodle's on fire today. Cavapoo. Puppy experience? The Yoshan? The Yorkie Bichon? Yeah, I think we have that. Yeah, come on down. We'll have one of those for you. Yeah, come on down. All right, cool. Bye. Yoshan. All right. You up for an adventure? All right, cool. We're gonna try something. What do you think, dude? All right, cool. All right, give it a shot. All right. All right. It's working. Don't let me down, dude. We gotta try something weird. All right, we got a Yorkie. We got corn. All right. Yoshan. Come on, it's not the Yoshan. It's a Cornichon. It's not a Yoshan, but it's a Cornichon. What do you think? You want to make believe you're a Yoshan? All right. Best I can do. Yoshan. She's pretty cute. They wanted something, Sean. This will work. All right. Cornichon. See what happens. This one is awesome. This is a female Cavanese. Cavalier King Charles mixed with a Havanese. Very cool. We pulled this one out of the machine. It worked. Cavanese. Check her out. Boom bam, boom bam, boom bam, boom bam, boom bam, boom bam. She's awesome. Another non-shedding Cavalier mixed with a Havanese, so it's going to be smart as a whip. And awesome. Cavanese. Alright. These guys are a little older. The dog of the week that needs a home. Yorkie Terrier, Silky Terrier. What's that? You got better hair than him? What? You don't think so? Well, anyway. Silky Terrier, non-shedding. Nice long hair. Not yet, but Yorkie Terrier, non-shedding. Nah, she's got cooler hair than you. It doesn't matter. Stop fighting. All right. You want to get a good deal on a Yorkie? Stop cursing. All right. We have a Silky and a Yorkie. Really cool dogs need homes. Come and get them.